Welcome to the next module of HTML. As promised in the previous module, we will be learning in this module how we can embed a video and an audio file using HTML5. Importing a video file or an audio file makes your websites very attractive. Let's say you want to give some information to the end user. I'm very sure you will believe me that rather than plain text on your website, if you just make a small video about what you want to do, what you are doing, what's your vision, and you put it on your website, firstly, it takes very less time for the user to read through what you are doing. Secondly, it becomes very convenient for the end user to watch the video and understand what information you're trying to give. So let's get started. Embedding a video and audio is a magic which can be done only with these 5 tags which I am giving you. So if you are able to understand these 5 tags, then trust me, it is going to be very easy to embed any video or any audio file. One recommendation, guys, please remember it's not only about video, audio, any file that you are importing on your website, make sure that you have played it first. So let's say if you are importing a video onto your website, make sure that video is working, because only then it makes sense to bring a working video on your web page. So it's about different tags that we have to learn. First tag is the source tag, second is the video tag, the third tag which is widely used is src. Now I can agree with you that source and video are the new tags that I'm going to give you in this module, but I am very sure you remember this src tag because we have already used this src tag in other modules also. I hope you remember that we had used src tag for the anchor tag, isn't it, for the links. We had used the src tag for the image tags, isn't it? So src stands for source. It tells us from where are we actually picking the video, audio, image, or whatever file that you are importing. The next important attribute basically we'll be using is the width and height, which helps us to set the width and height of your video. So we're going to see now how using HTML5 you can embed a video, and soon after our mission is successful, we are able to embed a video, we will see within the same HTML code how we can also embed an audio file. In the previous module, I had requested you to already download a video and an audio file. If you have done that, there's nothing to wait. Let's get started. If you haven't, I would suggest you to pause this module, download an MP4, MP3 file, and then get started. So let's have a look. So what we have done in this code, there are some basic template tags which are already there, right? So what I'm going to do for now is take off this tag for the source. So let's try to understand what we have done so far. So all we have done is we have created an HTML body and a heading tag, and we have also closed those particular tags. Now if you remember, I said we will be needing a video tag and the source tag whenever you are embedding a video and audio, isn't it? So if I now bring back the code which we had written, you can see that I have got a video tag to embed the video. Now this is compulsory, you must have this, otherwise your video cannot be embedded. It is same like that table tag, without table tag you cannot create a table, without a form tag you cannot create a form. However, the width and height 240 and the 320, what we are saying, these are the attributes. So this is dependent on, if you need it you can bring it, if not, whatever standard size the browser takes in for a video or audio, it will automatically take it. Do not worry, I'll remove this attribute and show you also what is the difference. The source is the next tag, and remember the src is the path where the audio or the video file is present. This is the path where my video file is present or my audio file will be when I'll import it. Now this can be different. It will depend upon where your audio and video file is dependent. Type attribute tells me what kind of file is it, isn't it? So this is a video file, MP4. We are also including a text which says your browser does not support the video tag. Now, there might be some reasons that the end user who's using your website has a browser which does not support a video tag. So in that case, if let's say for some reason the video is not loading, our code is giving a clear-cut explanation to the user. We are saying, look, there is a video, but you cannot watch that video. Reason is your browser isn't supporting. Okay, so it's very good to have this, and I'm very sure you would have seen it in some websites, you know, for some reasons, internet connectivity, or let's say the browser compatibility, if you're not able to see a video, load an image, you get a message, isn't it? So what we are going to do now, save this code, run it. But before I do that, one very important point here, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this and I'll show you how the path has to be copied, because you cannot directly take the path what the system gives you. So this is the folder HTML images where all my files are present. I need to simply click here, press this slash, and then you can see all the files here. What is the file we need? Very good, we need this MP4 file, isn't it? So I'm going to copy it, I'm going to bring it, and I'm going to paste it within the src. But please remember, this is very important. When you bring it to the HTML, make sure you change the slashes. And I'm very sure we have covered this particular concept in previous. So it's a more of a recap where we copied images. Remember, we discussed you have to always change the path. So without further delay, let's quickly save it and let's see what magic we have done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the folder where my file is present. See the timestamp, test.html5.html. so timestamp 227. So that means it has recently got edited. So here we go. Now if I click on play of this video, you can see that this video is getting played. The basic controls like maximize or basically minimize or these three buttons, you know, we have no control over them. Why? Because this is what the video is already giving us. However, the width and height of this video we can definitely manage. And if you remember, I said we'll also see what happens if we take these attributes off. Remember, we said it's not mandatory. So if I take this off and let's run it, so this is the standard size, you know, where this video is getting embedded. Pretty much simple. So this is how we can embed a video. In the next module, let's look at how we can embed the audio file in your web pages. Stay tuned. Till then, take care.